Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Unicorn. Today I'll be teaching you how to manage or rather uninstall Google Workspace apps. Now you might be confused by the term Google Workspace app. So it is nothing but add-ons that we can install from various Google products like Google Forms, Gmail, Google Sheets, etc. I'll be showing you three different ways how to uninstall these apps or add-ons. So these three are Gmail, Google Forms, and Google Sheet. Let's get started then guys, shall we? So open Gmail in your browser. Now go to settings, this clear icon. Click on it. Now go to click on and now click on see user. Let it load up. Click on add-ons right here. Now click on manage. Now a small window or model will open just like this. See here, you can see all your installed add-ons linked with your Google account. Now click on three dots for tab which you want to remove or uninstall. Suppose I am taking this one. Click on uninstall. A confirmation window pop up just like this. Click on uninstall app. It will take some time. See, my app is uninstalled from your account. See, I cannot see this now. That is how uninstall from Google. That is how uninstall add-on from your Google account. Now we will be learning the same in Google Form. So open in Google Form, click on three dot here. Okay. Click on get add-ons. Now click on settings and manage apps. The same window as on email will open. Now the rest is just same as before. Now finally in Google Sheet we will learn the same. It is how to uninstall add-ons. Open any sheet just like this. Click on extensions and add-ons. Click on manage add-ons. Again the same model will open. Now the rest is already not done. So guys, this is how to manage and uninstall Google Workspace apps in three different or unique ways. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the